Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we're going to show you how to pair the speaker to your smartphone. So let's set the box aside, and the first thing we're going to do is turn on our phone and turn on Bluetooth settings, which we've already turned on. Now take the speaker, and at the bottom in this little circular ring you will find this toggleable power on and off switch. Simply flick it over to the power on
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
There you go. It turns on, the lights turn on blue and flash blue, and they tell you it's in Bluetooth mode and it's pairing. All you need to do is refresh your device, scanning, and see if you can find it. It's the Photron P10 speaker. Let's click on it and let's click on pair.
Paired.
Now it says that the speaker has been paired, the lights are still glowing, and it has quite a nice look. And you can see right here we have it paired on SBC codec, and it has 100% battery as well. Now these buttons, the central one is used to pause and play music. This one is used to increase volume and go to the next track. This one is used to decrease volume and go to the previous track, while this one is used to switch modes. Now it can either be in Bluetooth mode, which is what it is in right now, or you can put it into micro SD card mode by inserting a micro SD card into this slot, or you can put it into FM mode and listen to FM on the speaker. So this is a pretty versatile speaker. So now let's turn it off. To do that, you just need to flick back the toggleable switch, and that's about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it.